Hi, I'm Lexy, and if you're watching this, I'm guessing you're already doing the work. You're posting, you're showing up, you're trying to stay consistent, and you're still waiting for it to turn into inquiries. Maybe you're watching other travel advisors seem to grow and wondering what they're doing differently. Maybe you've tried different platforms, different strategies, different content styles, and nothing quite sticks. Maybe you're just exhausted from putting in the effort and not being able to connect it to actual clients. It's not a motivation problem. It's not a talent problem. It's a system problem. I've worked with hundreds of travel advisors on their marketing over the years, and the pattern is almost always the same. They're doing everything they've been told to do, but nothing is connected. Visibility isn't leading to inquiry, inquiry isn't leading to bookings, and every few months it feels like they're starting over from scratch. When you fix the system, everything changes. Your content starts attracting the right people instead of just filling a feed. Your profile starts doing the selling for you. Inquiries start coming in for people who found you, not just people who already knew you. And your marketing starts feeling like something that's building instead of something that you're just trying to keep up with. That is what Compass is built to get you to. Let me show you what's inside. When you join, the first thing that you'll see is the community. This is where everything happens. You can ask questions, share wins, get feedback on content or your positioning, and connect with other travel advisors who are building alongside you. I'm in here every day responding to comments and posts personally. Then we have the classroom. This is where all of the phases live. We're working through 5 phases together. Phase 1 is all about defining your direction, getting clear on your niche, your positioning, um, your 90-day focus so that you can stop second guessing what to do next. Phase 2 is about establishing predictable visibility. This is where we take that clarity and turn it into a simple, sustainable visibility strategy. One platform, one content rhythm built to compound over time. Phases 3, 4, and 5 will be about inquiry systems, follow up, and then refining everything so your marketing keeps getting easier. Inside each phase, you'll find walkthrough videos, workbooks, and tools I've built specifically for travel advisors. Everything is step by step, so you're never left wondering what to do next. We also have the calendar. This is where I schedule our monthly implementation calls coming very soon. These aren't just Q&As. We'll actually dig into what you're working on, your platform, your content, your positioning, and work through it together. Everything you need to build a marketing foundation that actually works is right here. It's $27 a month, one new client covers it, and the system we build together is what brings those clients in consistently. If you've been waiting for marketing that finally feels clear instead of chaotic, this is it. Click join, that big yellow button over there, and I'll see you inside.